Let's see this example where we use the if statement along with a for loop. So here for each letter we are using one variable in the string hello everyone. For each letter in the string, if the letter, so what should it do? Here while we are iterating through the string hello everyone using the variable letter. So here the first iteration will point to H. So if the first letter H is equals to E or V, then we need to continue or go on. Else it will print the letter. So let me run the code and let's see what is happening. So in the first letter H, which is neither equals to E nor equals to B. So in that case, we don't have to continue. And so if we don't have to continue, we don't have to go back to the if statement in this instruction. Rather, it will just print the current letter, that is H. Now, when the letter is E, so letter is E or letter is V, so it's equal to E. So that's fine. Only one condition is enough to make this instruction true. So continue. So now continue means it will go again here and point to the next element E. And so see, so it keeps printing this E element from the string in the output. See, we don't have E after H. So when the letter value is L, it will compare with E and V whether the letter L is equals to E or V, as the condition is not true because the letter is L. It shouldn't execute the continue statement. So what should it do then? It will just go and print the letter L over here. And then after printing that, it will go back again and retrieve this next L as later and do the comparison, and then either execute the continue or execute the print statement. So this is how we can incorporate one if statement along with the for loop. Let's see another one. We have seen the random function. Let's see one other concepts which is called how to use rand int function, which is inside the random module. So in that case, what are we supposed to do? We have to import this random module because the function that we are using rand int, that's actually inside the random module. So if we don't specify the import function import random, it will display an error. So so what am I trying to do? Here I'm setting a variable or a pointer, you can say, with the seed function. So what it does, random.seed5, so it puts a pointer at a certain point, or you can say it keeps track of the timestamp in which we are going to generate a random number through the randint function. So randint function should display or should print a number in between 1 to 1000. And when we try to run it, what happens then? It gives a number in between 1 to 1000, and here it sets a timestamp with the seed function as 5. So after printing that, let's say we want to get the same random number again, 638. So how are we supposed to get that? We just again have to use the same seed value, that is 5, and try to implement the same function now. Now let's see what value are we getting. See, 638, 638 for both of the time. So let's say we want to get another one random number, anything besides 638. So what are we supposed to do? We don't have to use the seed function in that case. So while running it, the third statement here, it's giving another one random number which is not 638.